Going to have a quick look at the Aussie dollar. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers. I am the Scruffy Trader. And these sort of videos are just a kind of video diary of the trades I make on a daily basis and some of the things that I show the Scruffy Squad. If you don't know what the Scruffy Squad is, it's just a little community that I run, and I show the guys pretty much how I trade and why I trade it. But more crucially, when I am looking at the markets, I'll tell them before I take a trade what I'm interested in. Fairest way to do it. So let me flick this over and I'll show you what it is I'm looking at. It's going to be quite a quickish trade today. I'm looking at the Aussie dollar. And why is that? Well, every morning as we are chatting away in the Discord group, I do a Forex strength. So I did the morning watch this morning for them, which is this one, and I also pull out this, and within it is the Aussie dollar good, and I said it's going to be a good trade today. Now if I'm looking at the biases in one thing or the sheet would naturally say it's down over because it's been an aggressive sell, but now it's bottomed out and pushing up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop it to 15 minutes so I can see, and you can see that it has started to move. So how much have we got from here? So that's 42 up to there, about 20 pips. So there's a good opportunity to put some money onto the table here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to open up a few trades. I'm going to ladder them. Now if you're unaware of what laddering is, it is actually going backwards. So I'm going to use that as a baseline, but I'm going to put some staged orders backwards down to here with a view to go up over. Now I'm not expecting them all to trigger because this is starting to move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this sort of up here at 15 pips, okay, and probably, yeah, I'm going to put another order here and another one under there. So let me just work this out. So that is there to there. Now I do use a measuring tool. It also measures out my stop for me. So I'm going to drop an order there, and then I'm going to drop another order further backwards. Bear with me, which is there. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that order there, and we're going to leave that one there. The idea is across the day, it's going to work its way up into these orders. Now if it triggers that and just keeps on going, fantastic. If it triggers it, rolls over and picks up maybe a couple of these and then moves up, fantastic. And what I'll also be doing is throughout the day, if the price gets down here somewhere, instead of looking to get to that target, I'll be entering in to get to where I came from, using these orders to pay off the loss, if that makes sense. But it's just kind of trade management, if you want to call it trade management. But anyway, my orders are in place, my target's in place, I know exactly where my stops are, and that is it. So have a bit chat at the end. That is that, guys. We are done. It may well push up further again, but it's now touching and I don't really want to give the money back. So I've taken it out and it is giving me my wages. There we go. More than my 200 quid what I need. As long as it's a happy boy. Very, very simple, easy trade. And kind of went to plan. And the idea of laddering it backwards is just to catch that oscillation. All right, and it was just a short and a little bit better detail. Okay, so I'm going to enjoy my lunch because it has just turned up, and put a coffee when I've cleaned my new Scruffy mug, because the Scruffy mugs are now here, and the Scruffy t-shirts. If you fancy one, you'll find them in the description below, but they're more for me. Happy days, happy days. So it's been a great day. There you go, guys. Simple trade, as shouted out this morning, well before it was taken. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, and above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.